bowl and put in our butter is already melted, so we're going to be putting in butter, our sugar, and our brown sugar. Mixing it until it's well combined. Now it's Bernie approved. And now we're going to stir the vanilla. I'm just then we're going to crack our egg. We're going to stir it. Okay, and now we're going to add our flour. Our baking soda. And salt. We are going to mix dough until combined. Now we've mixed in the chocolate chips. Sheet. And then we're going to use a small cookie, like ice cream scoop, to get another shape. I'm gonna get help putting them in.